guys, it's Doug from Red Apple Fireworks. I'm at the shop restocking an item that sold out for us very quickly last year. This is Kickstart from Brothers. This is a 12-shot cake. Let's take a look, all right? All right, so this 500-gram cake actually comes packed with 6 in the case. So it's really reasonably priced, and you get a full Brothers performance out of this, which they're so famous for. And this 12-shot cake, even though it doesn't have as many shots as some of the zipper cakes, still has a directional indicator, which means that you are going to get some angled shots coming out of this 12-shot cake. Really reasonably priced, super performance, and it's also part of this year's exclusive Build Your Own Case program. So this matches really well with an item like Heat Wave or Peak Performance, because they're all within the same price range. They all have 12 shots, and they all have the similar performance, but with different effects. So these are good ones to fuse together, light them all up at once, or do them in rapid fire succession, one right after another. Check out the demo video of Kickstart. That was awesome. Kickstart from Brothers Pyro is back in stock at Red Apple and Motor City Fireworks. Get it while we got it, guys. Hope to see you soon.